Hello students, now we are going to learn HCF and LCM. So what is HCF and what is LCM? HCF means a higher common factor and LCM means lower common multiple. Okay, so in part first we are going to learn what about HCF. Okay, so first here given one example, and there are boxes which is empty. Okay, in the empty boxes write the proper words, which is dividend, divisor, question and remainder. Okay, so first tell me, when we divide 36 by 4, then which is dividend and which is divisor, which is question and which is remainder? Can you tell me? Yes, we divide 36 by 4 means dividend is 36. Okay, and which is divisor? We divide 36 by 4, so divider is 4. Okay, and which is questions? When we divide by 4, when we divide 36 by 4, that time we get answer 9, which is question. Okay, after we dividing 36 by 4, that time uh, what remain? The remainder. Okay, if we that 4 nines are 36, and after we subtract 36, the answer is 0, which is remainder. Okay, there is a difference between remainder and remainder. remain means जो बचा हुआ है, क्या बचा है. ओके, तो see the next. Okay, so in this example we can say that 36 is divisible by 4. Okay, so see the next example. You can see 65 is divided by 9. When we divide 65, that time that 9 7 are 63, and when we subtract 65 by 63, that time how much remain? 2. So you can see this is what dividend, this is divisor, this is question, and this is remainder. Okay, so if there is a remain in this remainder, that time we can say that 65 is not divisible by 9. Okay, if 65 is divisible by 9, that time it should be 0 0 at the end of division. Okay, so 65 is not divisible by 9. So what is the factor? The factor is that if we see the 36, which number can divide 36? Every number can divide by 1. Okay, So 1 is common in every factor. Okay, the another one is 2. You can see the 2 can divide by 36. 36 can divide by 2, right? The 3 also, 36 can divide by 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. If you can see, the 1 is 36. Okay, 2 is 18, 3 12, and 4 9s are 36. Okay, so now see the factors of 48. 1 is common, 1, 2, 24 are 24, 2 are 48, 16 3s are 48, 12 4s are 48, and 6 8 are 48. Okay, so in this way, these all numbers are divided of 48. Okay, we can use this any number, and we can divide this number, so we call it factors. Okay, now we see the common factors. Which are the common factor? You can see 1 is a common, 2 is also common, 3 also common, 4 also common, 6 also common, then 9 is not, and 12 also common. Okay, then there is no common factor. So if we see which is the higher common factor, 1 2 3 4 6 or 12, the higher is 12. Okay, so in this way we can find out HCF, means higher common factor. Okay, so in this way we can solve this sum. Okay, write all the factors of given number and list their common factors. Okay, thank you.